A leader to me is someone who leads by example. Do as I say, it's do as I do. I'm Kathryn Barger, Los Angeles County Supervisor of the 5th District. I've been with the county for over 30 years, and I started as an intern working for the prior supervisor. He was termed out and approached me to run in his place. I decided to take that leap of faith. I've seen changes on so many levels. When I first started with the county, there were 5 men running the board, and now there are 5 women. Moving forward, women leaders in business, whether it be in government, whatever it is, have really broken the glass ceiling based on merit and based on ability. In high school, I wanted to be the first Supreme Court Justice, and then Sandra Day O'Connor beat me to that, and she deserved it. I mean, I ran for social chairman of my sorority, and I did a really good job at that, by the way. But I never ran for any political office whatsoever. I knew that I loved helping people, and I knew I wanted to make a difference, and I've just been very fortunate to be able to be put in a position like this where I can make that change. Because in LA County, we deal with the most vulnerable. For example, foster youth are a priority for me. But I feel we need to do a lot more because these are the kids that are ending up on our street, becoming homeless and just with no hope. When I look at the mentally ill and I look at the laws that are currently in place that are enabling the homeless, the mentally ill that are suffering, my dream is to change the law so that we can actually help those that are really incapable of helping themselves. With COVID, we've seen businesses suffering, so there's a lot more of a need for us to help the small businesses who were disproportionately impacted during COVID. So I've seen changes that both are on the policy side, but also just on the administrative side as it relates to how we administer services. So I created the Resiliency Task Force, where we recognized where there was red tape and where we needed to cut it. We were putting together grants for small businesses. We were helping to see where we could invest that money in the private sector to help them survive during what was, no fault of their own, a shutdown. Because I felt it was important for businesses to be able to have a voice. Because when we shut them down, we literally took away that voice. So I am boots on the ground. I am someone who on the weekends will drive my district. I like to really touch and feel and understand the consequences of the decisions that are being made. If you sit in your office all day, you don't really understand that what you may be passing on a Tuesday on a motion, how it plays out in real life may be far different than what you wrote on that piece of paper. I think that is what a leader is supposed to do. I love my job. It truly is incredible. All the services we provide truly are helping those that are in great need. Be honored. I get very embarrassed because, I don't do this for the accolades. I really don't. For me, it is about doing my job.